Okay, considering the reaction of cadmium with thiosulfate, I give you these two equations, one with cadmium and sulfate making cadmium sulfate, and then the cadmium sulfate essentially making cadmium sulfate again. The difference is the amount of sulfates, so we're making a complex here. So it has the desire is what's the value of the equilibrium constant for the following reaction, and if we notice, this last equation is essentially what we would get if we took the first equation and just added them together, because that Cd2O32 would be an intermediate, and so we'd have one of those, 2S2O3s, the thiosulfates, and then we'd end up with that cadmium with two thiosulfates in there. So we are just adding the two equations to get this. Therefore, our third K, or the K for the overall, is just going to be those first two multiplied together. Let's see, what do we get if we do that? 8.3. That's weird. Why does that say P? 8.3 times 10 to the third times 2.5 times 10 to the second. And we get, let's see, 2.1, because of significant figures, times 10 to the sixth.